We are here at the Trott Brook barn. This barn was original to the farmstead that was here before the residential development was put in. The intent is for it to be utilized as part of the park as an amenity for rentals for anything from baby showers to graduation parties, birthday parties, anything of that sort. So it was moved here in the 1990s. And we are just starting to finish up some of the remodel or repair of the building itself. We just put on a new roof and shingles, soffit, siding, windows, and we are putting in air conditioning, which is a definite need for the summer rentals. If you would like to rent this building, we're going to have it open for rentals again towards the end of May in time for the graduation season. The number to call is 763-635-1150.